like. So this is Lila's house. Apparently Lila's brother lives in there.
Kenyans farming in America. See, we have chicken. Tunaleta ukisi America. Alafu kale ndio kashamba. We're going to plant our maize there.
No, it was this side. Right, you didn't plant anything out here, right?
You did.
You did. See, she's telling me you did.
You also planted here.
Oh,
We put the corn.
oh, okay,
Put
okay.
the corn over
Yeah,
here.
all right. So I
So
wasn't
the
here for
place
that.
is full.
Out there is, yeah.
The place is full.
Yep.
There's the road right there. Little farm. We're planting maize today, or corn as they call it. We have pumpkins, we have traditional vegetables in there. Doing a little bit of farming today. And as you go down, you go into the woods. And we have to come prepared. Some water, some fruits to eat. That's all. Kulima America.
And arranged them in a systematic way. He came and did.
Phase 2 of American small-scale farming. We come to the community gardens. And right here you get a small plot. You lease it for a while and then you can plant whatever you want. So there are so many plots in here. And everyone owns a small plot that they take care of. This is amazing. So as we walk in, see that?
Is that it?
Yeah?
So nikamlink na Becky. Becky akapea Becky log in information. Becky amo supervise na ndia log team. E class yake akagusa twice. The third time na Becky akapass class. And guess what? Becky hakusaidia. It was just no problem.
Some skuma, some boga. Sa shamba kama hii ni how much kulisi?
$25. Lakini hizi ni tatu.
So hii moja hivi?
25, 25, 25.
Oh. So from there mpaka hapa $25. Is that per month or per year?
A year.
Oh. $25 a year. Na hizi utilities, maji nini iko inclusive? Kwa hiyo 25? Malize na kupatia giving the tomatoes some water. So tomatoes get some water. We just cleared up the weeds.